Yesterday, you had an amazing workout. Your muscles were burning. You could barely finish your last rep. By the time you got home, you felt exhausted. So today, you decide to take a rest day. No gym, no weights, no workout. But here's the strange part. How can doing absolutely nothing actually make you stronger? It almost sounds backwards. Shouldn't lifting weights build muscle? Well, not exactly, because the truth is, you don't actually build muscle while you're in the gym. Let's see what's really happening. Picture one tiny muscle inside your arm. Every time you lift something heavy, that muscle is forced to work harder than it's used to. It starts getting pushed to its limit. Eventually, tiny pieces of that muscle begin to break down. Not giant tears, not injuries, just thousands of tiny changes. Too small for your eyes to ever see. Your workout didn't make your muscles bigger. It simply gave your body a reason to start rebuilding them. Think of it like this. Imagine someone tears down part of a brick wall. The wall isn't stronger, it's damaged. Now imagine a team of builders shows up with fresh bricks, fresh cement, and a plan to make that wall stronger than it was before. That's basically what your body does. As soon as your workout is over, the repair process begins. Your body gets to work. It sends nutrients, water, and everything your muscles need to begin repairing the damage, hour by hour, little by little. Those muscle fibers are rebuilt, not just repaired, but slightly stronger than before. Your body is preparing in case you ever ask it to do that workout again. It's basically saying, if you're going to make me lift that again, I'll make sure I'm better prepared next time. But here's the catch. That rebuilding doesn't happen while you're lifting. It happens afterward, while you're eating, while you're relaxing, and most importantly, while you're sleeping. That's why sleep is one of the most important parts of getting stronger. Your workout starts the process, but recovery is where the real progress happens. Now imagine something different. Instead of resting, you go back to the gym again and again and again, without giving your body enough time to recover. The builders are still trying to repair yesterday's damage, when suddenly, another wrecking crew shows up. Now, there's even more damage to fix before the first repairs are finished. Eventually, your body can't keep up. You stay tired. Your workouts feel worse. Your muscles don't recover as well. And over time, your progress slows down. Sometimes, you can even become weaker, not because you're training too little, but because you're never giving your body enough time to rebuild. Now let's compare two people. Both work just as hard. Both eat well. Both want bigger muscles. The first person trains every single day. No breaks, no recovery. The second person trains hard too, but they also take rest days. They sleep well. They let their muscles recover. Fast forward several months. Who do you think made more progress? Most people would guess the person who spent more time in the gym. But often, it's the second person, because muscles don't grow from endless workouts. They grow from recovering after those workouts. Now, that doesn't mean you have to sit on the couch all day. Many people go for a walk, stretch, or stay lightly active. That's perfectly fine. The important part is giving your muscles a chance. So, do you actually need rest days? Absolutely, because lifting weights doesn't directly make you stronger. It simply gives your body a challenge. The real changes happen afterward, while you're recovering, while you're eating, while you're sleeping. That's when your body quietly gets to work, repairing, rebuilding, and preparing you for the next workout. So the next time you feel guilty for taking a day off, remember this: sometimes the strongest thing you can do is recover.